Hi! In front of me is TCL 4D SE, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Now select Phone Ringtone and Vibrate, and by tapping on this switcher at the top next to Vibrate when ringing, enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you're ready, go back. Now scroll all the way down, click on More Sound Settings at the bottom, and tap on this switcher next to Vibration on Touch. This way, you will enable or disable haptic feedback for touches, keyboard, and more. You can also tap on haptic feedback vibration duration and adjust it by swiping left or right on this slider. When you finished, click on OK in the pop-up. Lastly, to mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations, go into Tab menu. Then click on this little shortcut, the gray one with a note, and click on it until it says Vibrate. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!